Hi again. We'll draw a quick floor plan now if you don't have a CAD file to work from. This is going to be very simple. I always use the rectangle tool as much as I can because this is quick. Great time to go to a top view, camera standard views top, and click your rectangle tool. And I always begin on the origin. So just click on the origin, begin to drag out, and I'll draw in a series of rectangles. I know the first part of my building is 13 meters, 1300, comma 4000, 4 meters, and hit enter. Just zoom out, and there's the first part. I don't try and draw the entire perimeter, I just draw a series of rectangles, then break it up as necessary. On my building, going from this back corner, I have a second section which I know goes out 6.9 meters, so I type 6900, comma 3500, 3.5 meters, hit enter. There's the second section of the building. I also have my workshop over on the left, which doesn't come from this corner, it comes from 300mm in. So I go to the tape measure tool, click on the corner, drag in the direction I want to go, and type 300, hit the enter key, and there I've made that guide point, so I can begin my next rectangle from the correct place. Click on the guide point, drag out, and my workshop is 7 meters, 7000, comma 4.5 meters, 4500, hit enter. Zoom out, and there's the basic floor plan for my property. This is going to make a drawing for the external building, this isn't drawing for internal spaces. But there you go. I'll see you in the next video.